In my previous life, I was living the corporate rush as a CEO of an international trade company. I decided to make a change. I moved to Portugal to have an organic, mindful and healthy lifestyle. I'm Dietmar Goetz, the singing chef. Welcome to Portugal. Actually, we're on a wonderful spot on a quinta. What the quinta is in Portuguese is actually a farm. They grow wonderful products here. And we're not far away actually from Lisboa. So we're in the area of Mafra. So Mafra, Ericeira, and 25 minutes away from Lisboa. What we find, we work with. I see some tomatoes over there. So let's see, maybe we make a gazpacho with tomato and strawberries. Doing a potato salad from my region, from Germany. Actually from the Swabian area of Germany, Stuttgart area. A simple potato salad, everybody can do it, it's pretty quick. Beautiful, look at this. Look at this. This is great. Wonderful.
Audio Jungle.
With the basil, I go with the tomato a little bit, put into the gazpacho. It's unbelievable how strong it smells. We need this just to round the whole thing a little bit. I saw some bananas and maybe ginger, so let's do the strawberry banana ginger smoothie as a start. Unwrapping the equipment here. I need a knife for the ginger. We have some organic bananas. Actually, we want to do it mindful. We're really respecting what we have here. That we have these bananas, that we have the ginger, and that we are able to cook here. Organic coconut milk, ginger from the farm, pieces, and let's have a drink. We're in the kitchen now, and I have to say thank you to the Quinta owners to giving us this beautiful kitchen. This is a chef's dream, actually. Let's start. Let's see what we found on the field. We have parsley. We had wonderful tomatoes. We have zucchinis, potatoes. That's what we need first. I think I'm going to make the potato salad. Oh yeah, we have some basil here, some alumni, all fresh. First we put the potatoes in a pot. Some water in here. The onions. And cut. Potatoes, maybe they need around 20 minutes. What we do, we put the backside off. Enjoy what you're doing. You just grab them basically from the field. You know where they're coming from. I'm really thankful that you can work with products like this. Then we have the tomatoes, just cut here, right and left. We don't want to have these little stones in our gazpacho. Some parsley. We take the garlic, well, just crush it. So, put everything in the mixer. A little bit of balsamico with a piece. And you have a light gazpacho. Let's see, the potatoes are on the way. I think in the meantime, we start cutting the cheese. So we have the cheese. Yeah, wonderful. Some people put it in the whole piece on the grill, but we're going to cut slices together with the zucchinis. And we only put some salt and pepper on it, and well, they have wonderful flavor. They're just from the field. That's exactly what we want. Get a little bit more soft by themselves. And alumni. We put some pepper, parsley, olive oil. You can use the tomatoes you already have used, little stripes, and just sprinkle it. The favorite Swabian potato salad. You take the full potato, don't cut it smaller, and just slices like this. We put some onions, some parsley to it, put in some salt, a little bit of bouillon. We just mix it. The potatoes will suck up the rest of the soup. So in a couple minutes, and then you serve it on a nice plate. We have a wonderful potato salad. Well, the bell pepper. So let's go. We cut the bell pepper in half. Put the inside off. Grill it a little bit. That's already enough. Everything we find out there, you can use. It's really up to you to create whatever you want. And welcome. Thank you very much. This was really something for me, finding nice things on the field. I hope it was inspirational for you. I want to close up with a little Italian song so that you enjoy and maybe remember what we have done here. And so, thank you very much. So, let's start.
L'aurora di bianco vestita, già l'uscio dischiudi al gran sol, dice con le rose sudita, carezza di fiori lo stuolo.